Onto the world of cricket, the Board of Control for Cricket in India has more than doubled the match fee of women cricketers and officials in domestic cricket. Now, this is a move that was triggered by India's maiden ODI World Cup triumph and aimed at creating a more equitable pay structure across the circuit. The substantial hike was approved by the BCCI's Apex Council, and as per the revised structure, senior women cricketers plying their trade in domestic tournaments will now earn 50,000 rupees per day, a significant jump coming in from the existing 20,000 rupees, and that is 10,000 for reserves. Just for a little bit of context, per match day. In fact, you do have Rika who's filed this report. Let's take a quick look at that as well.
Big news coming out of Indian cricket, and this one's a game changer for women's cricket in the country. Now, the BCCI has just approved a massive pay hike for the domestic women cricketers and match officials as well. Now, this isn't just a small tweak. We are talking about more than double the previous match fees. The senior women players in one-day and multi-day domestic tournaments will now earn 50,000 rupees per day, up from 20,000 rupees. Talking about the reserve players, their pay jumped from 10,000 to 25,000 rupees a day, and for T20s, they get 25,000 rupees per match day, and the reserve players 12,500 rupees. Each domestic player will get around 12 to 14 lakh rupees. Compare that to the men who get around 25 lakh rupees. It's not just that the senior team members who will get the under-19 will also be benefited. 25,000 rupees per match a day will be given to them. And what about the match officials, the umpires? They will earn 40,000 rupees per match and up to 60,000 rupees for, per knockout game. That means that an umpire in a Ranji Trophy League game could pocket up to 1.6 lakh rupees per match. Why now? Well, the move comes right after India's historic ODI World Cup win in November 2025, led by Harmanpreet Kaur. That victory on home soil gave the BCCI the push to finally address the pay gaps that critics have called peanuts for years. Of course, there is this debate. Some say that this is a big win for the BCCI, while the others argue about market realities. But officials stress this is about equity, targeted investment to build the women's game and fix decades of infrastructural gaps. What's the bottom line? Well, this is a huge step towards making domestic women's cricket a viable career. It's not the finish line, but one can say it is a very strong start.